Did you know that ancient samurai had a unique method for stopping a sneeze? This technique can help you avoid awkward moments at important events. When you feel the urge to sneeze, hold your breath for 15-30 seconds. Next, gently rub your earlobe with your index finger and thumb. This simple trick can help you regain control and prevent that sneeze. It's a discreet method that won't draw attention to you. Next time you're in a meeting or a social event, remember this samurai secret. Master this ancient trick and never let a sneeze ruin your moment.